Looking for a dessert recipe that actually has protein in it? This banana pudding recipe has 24 grams of protein per serving. Here's what you'll need. Banana split Titan Whey, fat-free milk, sugar-free vanilla instant pudding, sugar-free or reduced fat Cool Whip, banana, and vanilla wafers. All right, to start, you're gonna mix your pudding mix with 2 cups of cold fat-free milk. While the pudding's in the fridge, line the bottom of a baking dish with vanilla wafers, and then slice up your banana, and we're gonna layer that on top as well. Pull your set pudding out of the fridge and layer it on top of the wafers. Depending on your dish size, you may be able to make 2 or 3 layers. We're gonna do 2 with ours. Once you've got all your protein mix used, grab your Cool Whip and put about 1/4 of the tub on top. Smooth it evenly. Then we're gonna top it with 4 of the crushed vanilla wafers. Once you're done making it, put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight to chill, and then you're ready to serve. This recipe makes 6 servings. Each serving has 20 grams of protein, 26 grams of carbs, and only 4 grams of fat.